Hello, good day, guys. My name is Israel. I'm here once again on YouTube, and today we'll be discussing about how to avoid spike in crash index. Yesterday, I created a video on how to avoid spikes on Boom, so I got a lot of good comments, so I decided to do it again for crash this time. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now so that you get notified whenever we have new good content for you. And if you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up. All right, today we'll be discussing about how to avoid spikes on crash index. Okay, this is the same special indicator I introduced yesterday, and I explained it on I explained how to use it on crash on boom, sorry, yesterday, and today I am using it to explain crash index. Okay, for crash, all we need to know is that once the big green ball comes out, then we have got a confirmation that we should buy. But this indicator will always show support and resistance levels. For instance, let's look at this portion right here. We can see that there is a resistance level here, there is a resistance level here, there is a resistance level here, and there is a resistance level here. So this portion as a whole is not safe to scalp, to pick our 2 to 3 minutes candle. It is not safe because there have been on untested resistance levels, so what do? We wait for price to break the resistance levels. For instance, right here it broke it, and then there was a very good opportunity right here. But right here we can also see some resistance level, a double spike, you see. So we also shift our horizontal line. Once it breaks it, we can pick our 2 3 minutes candle and exit the market. Same right here, we see a breakout, and then there was a little spike. Because if we could go back and check that level, we can see that area here, this resistance level was what triggered that mini spike. So we can draw our horizontal line there, and we'll see that that was the level that triggered that mini spike. You can see that is how this index always operates. That is how the boom and crash index always operates. They operate with tested and untested resistance levels. For instance, this guy right here, if we were to this was the resistance level, in the nearest future, when price gets to that level, it is likely going to crash there, or it encounters a breakout. And once it encounters a breakout, you are sure to buy the market and obtain your 2 3 minutes candle. Let's check it. When price get to that area, you can see it broke it, and then we would have gotten our 2 3 minutes candle and exit the trade. That is how these assets operate. That is how they always operate. But with this special indicator, you will be able to see the market clearly. You'll be able to see the support and resistance levels, and you'll be able to avoid the spikes when trading this asset. Let's go over to crash 1000 and see what we have there. For crash 1000 index, let me dock it out. Okay, for crash 1000 index, you can also see it also works that way. First, you need the first confirmation that you need is the buy signal. It is the buy signal. The buy signal came out. Let me select an area here. Okay, all right, the buy signal came out here. Let's assume the buy signal came out here, then it broke this resistance level. Is there a resistance level close to that price action? No. The nearest resistance level is still far away. You can see the nearest resistance level. Let me bring down my horizontal line. The next resistance level is right here. So we can buy the market and obtain our 2 minute candle and exit the market. If it encounters another breakout, we might likely buy the market and exit at the nearest resistance level, or we can take our 2 to 3 minute candle and exit the market. That is how this asset always operates. That is how they always operate. All right here there is a breakout, but there is a resistance level very close to this area right here. There is a resistance level very close to this area right here. Do we buy? No. I'll wait for a total breakout. What triggered this spike right here was this resistance level. This resistance level right here was what triggered this spike, because it was untested and price has gotten there in near future and tested that resistance level, and it has tested that resistance level. That was what the reason for that spike. The reason for this spike also right here, it's because of this resistance level right here. Let's see. If we take our horizontal line to that portion, we can see that it fits in to that same resistance level. It fits in, and that was the reason for this spike. First you need to know is that once you see the big green ball, you have gotten one confirmation. Then once you see a breakout from a resistance level, you are likely going to get your 2 minute trade. Once you see a breakout and then the nearest resistance level to the closest price action is far away, you can come in here. For instance, right here I can see the big green ball. It's out, but do I enter the market? Let's check. We can see there's no resistance level here, there's no resistance level here, there's no resistance level here. Although price broke out from this resistance level, so no. Is it safe? We are getting confirmations. No, it is not safe. There is a resistance level here, although it doesn't have the red line above it. That's the resistance line, but it's still a resistance level. What do? You can allow it to break it, and once broken right here, you can come in here and get your 3 minute candle and exit the market. If you are to wait, if you want to enter the market again, you wait for it to break this next resistance level. Once broken, you look for the next resistance level to the closest price action, and right here we can see that the nearest resistance level to the closest price action is somewhere there. So once we observe the breakout, we can buy for another 2 minutes and also exit the market. This way you can grow your capital gradually. Once you have this special indicator, you practice with it, then you go live. I assure you that with this you'll be able to grow your capital gradually. And also, when you understand the principles of risk management when scalping, you will also be able to analyze the market effectively, and you are not going to blow up your account. All right, that's it on today's strategy video on how to scalp the crash index, or how to avoid spikes when trading crash. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell, because that's the only way you get notified whenever we upload good content like this. And if you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up. If you have any question concerning this video, you can go to the comment section below, or you can message me directly. My WhatsApp number and email address are there below. Check the description box for my WhatsApp number and email address. Message me and I will reply you as soon as possible. If you want this special indicator, you can also message me and I will be happy to help. Goodbye, guys.